I cook this broccoli every week. Easy and quick. Let's start by cutting up some broccoli. Then I'll put it in a bowl. Add hot water and set aside. Let me know if you like broccoli recipes. In the meantime, I'll chop an onion. Don't forget to tell me which city you're watching us from, so I can thank you and send you a hug. Give this recipe a rating from 0 to 10 at the end of this video. In a frying pan, add a drizzle of oil. Sauté the onion until it's transparent. Now let's chop 300 grams of mushrooms. If you love recipes with broccoli, make it at home and come back and tell us how it turned out. I'll sauté the mushrooms together with the onion. Add 15 grams of butter. Sauté everything until the butter is well melted. Add salt to taste. Mix well. Black pepper to taste. Curry seasoning to taste. A crushed clove of garlic. Sauté everything for about 2 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Mix everything together. Now add the broccoli and sauté for about 3 minutes. And our recipe is ready. This broccoli is delicious. Thanks for watching, see you next time and bon appetit!